So over here on the left hand side, you can actually see the different pages that I have. You can see the preset pages right here, and you can see that this is the page that I have right here. So the name of this particular page is My Notes. But let's say, for example, I'm going to rename it to Important Notes right here. And as I type the title right here, you can see that the page name gets changed over here as well. Apart from that, you can also go around over here, click on the three dot button besides the name and click on rename. And then I'm just going to go around and say, let's say, for example, let's say Big Notes right here, and you can see that the title changes right here as well. So this is what you have, as you can see, as the name, and you can go ahead and change around the name for everything. So let's just go ahead and rename this, and here I'm just going to go around and say starting point right here, just like this. And then you can see that this is what you have. This is how you can go ahead and change around the preset pages, that is the template pages that you have there as well. So that is how you can go ahead and then rename out a page as you like inside of Notion. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.